Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of budget PC building with a focus on AMD's Ryzen 5 3400G. This little processor packs a punch and is perfect for gamers and content creators on a budget. Building your own PC might seem daunting, but trust me, it's like adult Legos, way more fun and super rewarding. We'll break down each component, ensuring everything plays nicely together, and guide you through the entire process. Get ready to unleash amazing performance without breaking the bank. Now, you might be asking, why the Ryzen 5 3400G? Well, this bad boy has integrated graphics, meaning you don't need a separate graphics card to get started. That's right, you can start gaming and editing right away. It's a game changer for budget builds, offering incredible value for your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's get down to business and talk components. We're aiming for a balanced build that can handle gaming and editing without breaking a sweat. First up, the heart of our beast, the Ryzen 5 3400G. This quad-core processor with 8 threads is more than capable of handling popular games and editing software. The ASRock B450M Steel Legend is an excellent choice, offering great value and compatibility with our Ryzen chip. Speaking of RAM, we're going with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, running at 3200 MHz. Now for storage, we'll go with a 1 TB NVMe SSD. To keep everything running cool and quiet, we'll use the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO CPU cooler. The Corsair Carbide Series 100R is a great budget-friendly case with a clean and straightforward design. And for the power supply, we'll choose a Corsair CX550M, a reliable unit that provides ample power for our components. Hold your horses, builders. Before we start putting things together, let's double-check our component compatibility. We don't want any surprises, right? First, ensure the motherboard, ASRock B450M Steel Legend, supports the Ryzen 5 3400G. You can usually find this information on the motherboard's product page or support website. Next, check that the RAM speed, 3200 MHz, is compatible with both the motherboard and the CPU. Again, the product pages or manuals are your best friends here. The NVMe SSD should work seamlessly with any modern motherboard, but it's always good to confirm. Verify that the CPU Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO, is compatible with the AM4 socket type of our Ryzen processor. This information is usually mentioned on the cooler's packaging or product page. Finally, ensure the case, Corsair Carbide Series 100R, has enough space to accommodate our motherboard, micro ATEX form factor, and the CPU cooler. Building your beast, a step-by-step assembly guide. Alright folks, let's build this beast. Remember to ground yourself to avoid static discharge. Start by installing the CPU on the motherboard. Open the CPU socket lever and align the arrow on the CPU. Gently place the CPU into the socket. Close the lever. Install the RAM sticks into their slots. Align the notches and press down until they click. Now mount the CPU cooler. Apply a pea-sized amount of thermal paste. Install the cooler firmly on top of the CPU. Install the motherboard into the PC case. Secure it with screws. Connect the necessary cables from the case to the motherboard. Section 5. Unleashing the power performance insights and expectations. With our PC built, it's time to fire it up and see what it can do. With the Ryzen 5 3400G and our chosen components, you can expect smooth gameplay in popular esports titles like Fortnite, CSGO, and League of Legends at 1080p resolution with medium to high settings. For more demanding AAA titles, you might need to dial down the settings to maintain a playable frame rate. However, remember that the integrated graphics of the Ryzen 5 3400G are not as powerful as a dedicated graphics card. If you're a hardcore gamer looking to play the latest AAA titles at ultra settings, you might want to consider adding a dedicated graphics card down the line. When it comes to editing, the Ryzen 5 3400G can handle light to moderate workloads in applications like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro. While it may not be as fast as a high-end system, it's capable of handling basic photo and video editing tasks without any issues. Remember, the key is to set realistic expectations based on the components we've chosen. This build is perfect for casual gamers, content creators on a budget, and anyone looking for a reliable and affordable PC that can handle everyday tasks with ease. Section 6. Conclusion: maximum value, minimum spend. Your AMD powerhouse awaits. And there you have it. A powerful and budget-friendly AMD PC built around the Ryzen 5 3400G. We've covered everything from choosing the right components to assembling the PC and understanding its performance capabilities. Remember, building a PC is a journey, and you can always upgrade components down the line to boost performance. This build is a testament to the fact that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a great PC experience. With a bit of planning and effort, you can have a capable machine for gaming, content creation, and everyday tasks without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, build your dream PC, and experience the joy of PC gaming and creation.